Good day, class. My name is Herman Young, and this is Mod 5, Organizational Relationships. So my organizational chart, I chose the functional structure. I think it's a little bit of both. I think it's a hierarchy a little bit at the very top and somewhat in our school, but we want to operate more like a functional organization. Well, we are divided into like groups. Everybody has their assignments, their specialties. They're working in their curriculum that they're comfortable with. So I'm just going to explain a little bit of kind of how we operate in Frederick, Maryland. All right, so the Board of Education is at the top, and the superintendent is right below the Board of Education. So I kind of got them on an equal playing field, kind of, because the superintendent for our county, I don't know if this is like this for every county, but the superintendent is actually the secretary treasurer for the Board of Education or other Board of Education. So it's a 10-member board, and it's a student rep that's on the Board of Education as well. So with the student rep and a superintendent, that makes 10 total with the 8 that's already on there. All right, so the superintendent also has a cabinet, and the cabinet has like some curriculum specialists in there, a public affairs officer, some financial folks in there, some operating officers in the cabinet. So that's also a 10-person department right there, cabinet for the superintendent. And so under the superintendent is our high school principal. Our high school principal does the majority of the hiring. Maybe the APs will help out a little bit, but essentially does all the hiring. So there is a hierarchy in there, but we have to function kind of properly. So we have 5 assistant principals. So all you see right there with the APs, those assistant principals, and each assistant principal has a department chair or a department head that's with them. And we have our athletic director, also the facilities manager. We got our IT support, our head custodian, and the department. So that's probably about 10 to 15 employees right there that works for the head custodian. And we have our media center folks. We got our IT tech and support folks. We got other aides and support staff, our teachers, secretaries, counselors, our EL, special ed department. We also have a resident officer and a school nurse at our campus. And we also have the student body like right below all of that. So this is our organization, and the Board of Education is elected, and they're carrying out federal and state laws, and they also set policies as well. They hire the superintendent, and the superintendent is just is the chief executive, is just representing the state of Maryland, making sure and just ensuring that we follow the policies for the state. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope y'all enjoyed the presentation and our organization chart.